Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about something that you can do that can really help out either your current or potential customers. You can create a return to work COVID checklist. That's right. Put it on your marketing or put it on your website where your potential customers feel safe. You're the professional. You're going to go step by step, help them develop a plan, talk about things that they need to check, and then guess what? Make sure you put something in there to let them know that you should be the one that they call to double check and make sure that everything is ready for them to return to work. Make sure you put all your information with your phone, your address, all contact information, email, so they can reach out to you. This is a fantastic way to build that relationship and to get them picking up the phones, calling your company, asking for you to come and do a walkthrough. You're building that relationship, which is so important. Well, if you want to learn other things you can do to market your business, then guess what you can do? Click to register for my free masterclass where I go into this and so much more, because my mission is to make sure that I build your businesses by using 2 ways, government and commercial contracts. So if you'd love to attend my masterclass, make sure you click the link, register, bring your energy, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.